Happy birthday, A-listers! Hindi ko kayo ginigrita or even myself kahit birthday month ko. But today, I just want to share this newly opened restaurant here in SM North EDSA. Happy Birthday Food Center. Soft opening pa lang nila this week. Pero if you're on a budget, may ka-date ka, or student ka, this place is definitely worth checking out. Super nice ng interior design nila, very cozy, tapos affordable yung meals with big servings pa. Imagine, yung 185 peso meal nila, meron ng kasamang 1-piece chicken, 5 pieces of lumpia, rice, and then may drinks pa. Ang sulit, 'di ba? Tapos yung 12 pieces lumpia nila, 138 pesos lang. And if you go for the 275 peso meal, mas marami pang options and mas madami pang servings. Ang dami talaga nilang choices. Kaya make sure to watch the full video on my YouTube channel para may idea kayo kung ano yung magandang orderin once you visit Happy Birthday Food Center. Yun lang, A-listers. Till our next vlog, please like, share, and subscribe. Laters!